What up? It's your boy Frostbite. I got here a custom pendant that we just got done with. Very thick, as you can see. This is a custom crown with their client's initials inside, D and then M, which makes the crown. We drew this up, as you can see. This is a pencil drawing, full dimensions, and we even did the back. Just how the client wanted, exactly to the T. All pave set. Very nice work. Back here. For my clients, AKA. Right here we have the 3 bail system. You can throw your chain right in the middle, where traditionally. Then we have 2 lobster class bails on the side. We also have the custom 360 rings.
Louis luggage, plane tickets, Louis luggage, plane tickets, Louis